Hello, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in. In this particular video, we will be discussing on how to properly insert the paper on this FT-1 ECG device. This is the ECG paper for the FT-1, and in order to place it in the unit, you'll go ahead and lift the unit gently. You'll open up the paper drawer. If you notice, there's an opening here at the bottom of the tray, and that's to make it easy for you to push out the paper in case you need to replace it. So, once the paper drawer is open, you're going to go ahead and you'll take your stack of paper, okay? If you notice, there is a black registration mark on the corner of the paper itself. This black registration mark must always be placed in the top left corner. Okay, so let's go ahead and insert it. You can go ahead and extend that first sheet of paper, drop your stack of paper inside that paper drawer, and gently close the drawer. Okay, as you're performing your ECG, the unit will go ahead and give you your printout. You'll notice that the paper does have print, and once it stops printing, I'll go ahead and show you what can go wrong if your paper is inserted incorrectly, which is actually a common problem that we do encounter when customers call in for support. Alright, there are times when customers call in and they say that when they're printing, there is no print being printed on the actual paper. And so if you do insert the paper incorrectly, for example, place the registration mark at the bottom instead of the top where it belongs, you will encounter some issues. Give me a second, and I'll show you. Now, this goes as if we're going to do a recording once again. And once you press accept, as you notice, there's nothing being printed on the paper. The unit will give you a paper issue message. So in this case, the reason being, your paper is inserted incorrectly. So once again, to place the paper incorrectly, you must always have that black registration mark we talked about at the top left corner and not anywhere else. Okay, you can extend that one page out in this case. Alright, once you go ahead and press retry, now you have print. Once again, that sums up our video here on how to properly insert the paper on the FT-1. Thank you.